Why are popcorn tins a thing? Do people still really like them? They came about as a logical way to transport popcorn long distances. Once pretty pictures were put on them, we had a Christmas tradition. Hello everybody, welcome to the Beloved Christmas channel. Today I'm going to take a look at traditional popcorn tins. And I've taken surveys, I've got DIYs. If you hang around, there's lots to see. If you like what you see, please subscribe. Okay, Joey, you can have your popcorn now.
Excellent.
Why are you because he's been very patiently waiting, and I told him as soon as I started making this video, he could do that.
When I was a kid, we used to get these all the time, and I would always crush the caramel first. It was always the best.
In 4 different Facebook groups, I took a survey breaking up how people feel about traditional Christmas popcorn tins. Of the 4 groups, I ended up with 200 participants, which made for easy percentages, which I'm very grateful for. Of the 200 people who participated in the survey, 45% said yes, 28% said no, 11.5% said it's tradition, 12.5% said as long as it's gourmet and not from Walmart, and 3% said if it was there, they would eat it, like at an office party. I interviewed my family members on this topic, and here's what they had to say. Hi, Daddy.
Hello.
Popcorn tin video.
Okay.
And I'm just curious as to your opinion about it.
You mean those, the 3 or 4 sections?
Yeah.
They're fun. It's not the best popcorn, and yeah, it's better if you just pop your own. I saw one little video that was cool. It had you melt some caramels, so you got a slosh of caramel going, and then throw in the popcorn and cover it up. And when you're done, you get caramel popcorn. Really good. I've never tried that, but it looked interesting. And here's where I need to throw a shout out to my darling friend Andre, who lives down in Florida. He highly recommends Gordon Ramsay's salted caramel popcorn, and the recipe will be linked down below. Thank you, Andre. And we're on the scene with our resident teenager. Hello, resident teenager. So, what are your thoughts on the Christmas popcorn tin?
I don't know.
You don't know? Do you remember ever having a Christmas popcorn tin?
No.
Would you like to try a Christmas popcorn tin?
I'm gonna eat the tin?
No, the popcorn inside it, you goose.
Okay.
Mm. And what are our thoughts?
I like these ones. I'm just gonna take
Bye. Hi, Mom.
Hi.
So what are your thoughts on the Christmas popcorn tin?
I love the tins. They're always very pretty.
Mm-hmm.
I never know what to do with them afterwards, though. They just sit around and collect dust because they become a tin. There really isn't any real practical purpose for them once you empty them.
Actually, it's funny that you say that because there is an amazing amount of things that people have figured out how to do with popcorn tins. In an effort to answer my mom's question about all of the things that people do with popcorn containers once they're empty, I looked on YouTube for DIYs that looked fun, interesting, and unique on what to do with popcorn tins. I absolutely love watching people be creative, and this was such a unique thing to see because the diverse things that people do with popcorn tins is actually incredible. Here we have some planters by Nicole Northgarden. Farmhouse style tins by Whimsy Wonderland and GingerChickRehab. Rocket stove by Jim Johnson. Tin Foundry by Car and Water. How about a Faraday cage to protect your analog devices in the event of a nuclear blast by David Homestead. And last but not least, Christmas storage, of course. I mean, what a better container. All of a sudden you have an empty tin. My friend Heather, she fills hers with scented pine cones at the end of the season. But other people, like Glenn Frazee and their Christmas light solution.
My mom had a very specific angel as a tree topper, and she had, it was much larger than this. I mean, from what I remember, it felt like it was this tall, and at least that big around, so it could hold a decent angel. And it was very decorative, and it had the fairy lights that would come out from behind the wings and just light up the kind of aura around it.
Now we get to gourmet popcorn. This is not your average popcorn tin. I just wanted you guys to see how cool it is.
Yeah, some popcorn. That's my dad.
I have a surprise for you.
Do that.
Hi, Draco. Can I have a sit down, please?
Here, my bud.
Oh,
Or not.
or not. I figure since we're on the topic of Christmas popcorn, we should try gourmet Christmas popcorn.
This tin looks way better. Ugh. The Pops Popcorn Company in Fort Smith, Arkansas. Cornfetti, is that the flavor?
That's the flavor.
Oh my goodness, it's gonna be like birthday cake flavor.
Something like that. It's a bunch of fruit flavors and vanilla is what it, yeah. So including the shipping to get it here, this cost me just under $30.
Oh my.
Yeah, it's expensive popcorn. This costs about $7. But yeah, like I said, including shipping.
Yeah, I'm not sure if we're gonna be able to get a really good view of this with the camera. Let's see if we can keep it from rolling.
Pretty popcorn. Website. So this is the Popped Popcorn Company. Flavors. And we'll go to Cornfetti. Alright. And this is our fun and festive Cornfetti popcorn. Is a unique blend of our 8 most famous flavors: wild cherry, orange banana, green apple, blueberry, grape, strawberry, and vanilla. Oh, other ones available are Christmas pickle.
And dill pickle.
And dill pickle. Okay, so can't decide on dill pickle or ranch. Christmas pickle is dill pickle, infused with ranch on white cheddar cheese based with a hint of green salt.
I guess if you love pickles, that'd be great.
He doesn't do pickles. So, anyway, I can definitely give a unsolicited review of the Popped Popcorn Company now. Link will be in the description.
It's fun. It's fruity.
I like the grape. It tastes like grape lollipop is like melted on it. I really like the grape.
I'm intentionally not going for the red ones because it's cherry flavor, and every cherry flavor that is not an actual cherry tastes like cough syrup.
I myself am anti-banana. Artificial banana is gross.
These little guys right here.
Alright.
So with our powers combined, we can get through this entire thing.
Not tonight.
Thanks for joining us. Have a great day.
He just wants to steal the show and do the ending. I think I'll let him.
As good as I remember.